Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look. I did it specifically for Valentine's, and yeah, let's just get right into it. So first I'm going to start off with the shade Skip, and I'm going to be applying that all over my lid and also in my crease. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Escape, and I'm just going to be doing windshield wiper motions, and I'm going to be applying this all over my crease. I'm going back in with the shade Skip just to make sure I blend out Escape a little bit more, and I am going to be going back and forth with these two shades at the moment. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with the shade Love That, and I'm going to be using this shade to further blend out the shade Escape, and yeah. Also right here I'm just going back in with the shade Skip, making sure I still have that pink showing up. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Pinkity Drinkity, I can't say it for some reason, and just blending out the shades, making sure it looks seamless and blended. Now I'm just going to be going in with the shade Ring Light and putting this as my brow bone highlight. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to be cutting my crease. And now here I'm just tapping out the excess product. I was just too lazy to get a brush. So, you know, the finger does the job also. And now I'm just going in with the shade Skip and applying that all over my lid. Alright, so going back in with Escape, I'm just going to be applying this in my crease just to give my eye a little bit more definition. And now I'm just going to be taking this liquid lipstick, this bright pink. I thought it was going to work and it didn't. It was a total fail. It was not showing up. I just wish I would have think things through even better, because I should have just used my concealer as my base and then apply it on top. I feel like that would have worked, but dude, I fucked up 3 times. Look at me here taking a fucking red lipstick and thinking this would work probably because it's red. Nope, look at that. Nope. And I'm getting pissed off because obviously it's not working out. So now I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, you know, do the wing with this, but then just wait on it. So now I'm just gonna set my concealer with this white shade, Flashback, that's the name of the shade. Now I'm going to be taking my NYX liquid liner and white, I think it's called. I don't know, but this cracks up so much and it cracked up on me, so I got even more pissed. I was about to give up, but you know, I don't give up that easily. So that's why, you know, I just did one more thing. I was like, if this shit don't work, then I'm done. So, you know, here I'm just cleaning up everything. I'm like, it hasn't cracked yet, so it's looking, you know, okay. So after I start cleaning up, you know, my wing a little bit, I see it starting to crack, but it's not that bad. So after this, I'm going in with this glitter. You know, I apply it in my inner corner just to make things pop a little bit more. And then after this is when I realized this shit is cracking so bad. So bad. And then that's when I'm like, you know, man, fuck this shit. I'm just gonna add glitter again. You know, I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, putting a little bit more towards the wing because I'm gonna put glue on that. So I'm taking the AOA diamond powder in the shade Diamond, and I'm gonna be applying this all over my liner. So this ended up working out for me. You know, I was satisfied. It wasn't like shit. So, you know, that's what I did after 3 failure attempts. Here I'm just cleaning up my wing just to make sure I have it nice and sharp. And now I'm just going to be going in with the shade Love That and applying that to my lower lash line. And I'm just going to be curling my lashes. And I'm going to be taking the Fat Lash Mascara from AOA and applying that to my top and bottom lashes. And now I'm just going to be taking the Amarizi highlighter and I'm going to be highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, and a little bit on my cupid's bow. Alright, so now the lipstick I wanted to take on my eyelids, I'm going to be taking it on my lips. Alright you guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!